Coming in Angular 20.2, new animation features are introduced: Animate Enter and Animate Leave. Animate Enter applies CSS when an element appears. Animate Leave applies CSS when an element is about to be removed. Enter classes are removed automatically when the animation ends. When the leave animation finishes, the element is removed. Property binding is supported. You can pass a class name as a string, or multiple class names as an array of strings. Each one can be used separately. And you can use signals. Event binding is also supported. You can implement custom logic, and this gives you manual control over the animation. This object includes this element, and a removal function. You must call this function when your custom animation has finished. If this function is not called in 4 seconds, this animation is considered complete. For leave animations, the element is removed only after this function is called or the timeout expires. Each one can be used separately too. This also works on component host elements.